Alright, lovely people. So today we're going to be cracking mal pace. Yet again, we're going to be doing our 5-minute timer for the coding section. But before that, we're going to actually go through the concepts and conditions for this actual challenge. Then we're going to go through the design using the flowchart. So without further ado, let's dive right in, shall we? So the conditions are simple. We'll be given a number of miles that will be ran and the time it took to run those miles. And all we have to do is to return a string for the average time it took to run each mile in the format minutes and seconds. There's one additional condition there, which is to add leading zeros when needed. So let's actually design what this should look like using the flowcharts. Okay, so the design is as follows. We're going to input the number of miles ran and input the time in minutes, seconds. Then we're going to convert the time input to seconds. The reason why I'm doing that is it's easier for us to convert to seconds than to convert it into minutes and try to divide. So I'm going to convert it into seconds and then do the division. Then once we've done the division, we're going to now turn that answer back into milliseconds format because that's the way they want us to do it. When we're doing the actual code, we might want to use the remainder operator and the division operator to separate them into the minutes and seconds, then we add them together as a string. But we'll get to that once we start the coding. Anyway, this is straightforward how this program is going to work. So design is done and out of the way. I think we're good to start on the actual code. So let's get into it. Let's get our timer. Let me play some music. Alright, let's go. If I should die before I wake, it's 'cause you took my breath away. You were like living in a world with no way. Oh, don't wanna leave. It's incomplete, and I can make it 1 to 10. Yeah. Do you expect me to live in a world with just me? 'Cause my world revolves around you, it's so hard for me to breathe. Tell me I'm supposed to breathe no way, yeah. Can't live, can't breathe no way, yeah. It's how I feel whenever you're in there. Yeah, oh so deep. Tell me how you gonna live without me. There's nowhere, nowhere. Oh, oh, no. I walked, I ran, I jumped, I flew to you. Hold me down for real. Alive inside. I survived, I don't know how, but I don't even care. So how do you respect me? Just me in your world revolves around for me to breathe. Oh, 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 oh. It's nowhere. Flip sick. I didn't get on time. So what did I miss out on here? This I'm not sure. Okay. Oh wait, just a second. Oh no, that's not it. This for decimal points. What the hell? That's it, integer can't. Flip sake, man. Let me see. Let's do the same thing here. Don't need you. Okay. I feel like this might be what I needed to do. Yeah, change that to reds. What? So that's working, so what's wrong with you? Now, what the? 6.75 from where? Rev. Why am I saying free? Oh, jeez. Wait, aren't? Oh, jeez. So this should probably be maths.floor, math.trunk, then the floor. And wrap that into math.trunk. Oh, what the? Bro, why do you guys keep succeeding one after the other? Can you not all succeed together? So what's your problem then? Huh? How'd you get 360? Wait a second. So if you're 7 times 60, okay, let me see something first. So you're 420, cool. Then console log first half 3, cool. Console log second half 60, not cool. Why are you 60? Wait, it's gonna be 420 divided by mouse here is 2 times 60, which should be 120. So wait a second. That's 420. 60 times 2 will be 120. So 420 divided by 120 should give about 0 cancel 0, 21 over 6, 7 over 2, which should give 3.5. Wait. So 120 times 3 is 360. That's 420, that's 60 left. That makes sense. But then why does not make sense at the same time? I don't think I should have done this. Or a better yet, what the hell? So 330 converts to minutes to seconds would be 210, isn't it? So why is something? Oh, flip's sake. I shouldn't do this. I think I need to divide time by miles first, then divide by 60. Ah, flip's sake, man. Okay, time. Divided by miles. Then do that. Okay, this is a joke. Like, why you guys succeeding one after the other? Why are you guys doing this? What's all this? What the hell? What is this? Oh. I need to trunk you as well. For flip's sake, man. Yeah, I think my problem can be solved from here going forward once I do this. What? Why did it disappear? Okay. Oh, good. So, we got in the end. That took way too long. That took way too long to solve. Flip's sake, man. Whatever, as long as we got there. Am I gonna have my code back? Nah, lost it all. Thank you guys for being here and enjoy the rest of your